So many people consider eyeshadow makeup as one of the hardest makeup to do. I kind of agree actually, because when I started out with makeup, it was very difficult for me to get my eyeshadow very well. But we're here now, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to apply a simple eyeshadow look. This one right here I'm putting on. My name is Sylvia, and you're welcome back to Kesy Hub Blog YouTube channel, where I talk about all things beauty and a little bit of fashion. So if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you're old, just give me a thumbs up by liking my video, and I'll be so glad that you did. So first things first, let me introduce you to the tools that you'll be needing for this tutorial. Now you'll be needing a small angle brush. This you use to apply eyeshadow, usually glitter eyeshadow, around the inner V of your eyes. And then you need blending brush, a fluffy blending brush. I got this for 400. I think it's been with me for a very long time, and it's a darling. Like, I use it practically every time I want to apply eyeshadow. You use the blending brush to blend your eyeshadow so I can look flawless. Let me just use that word. And then you need a flat eyeshadow brush. Now, a flat eyeshadow brush is usually used to apply makeup in the on your eyelid. You need your eyeliner. Now, you can either use a pencil eyeliner. I have this pencil eyeliner, or you can use a gel eyeliner. Now, I got this gel eyeliner from a shop some time back. I got this for 1,000 naira, and it came with its own brush. It's really nice. Like, I really love it. Like, I love it seriously. So if you can't work with this, of course you can go for this. I think this is cheaper. You can get this for 500 naira or so in the market. Another tool you'll be needing, of course, is your black eye pencil. Now, we're going to be using this black eye pencil for the under part of the eye. Your eyeshadow, of course. Now, which eyeshadow should you go for? You might be asking yourself. Now, for a beginner, I would advise you go for an eyeshadow with shades of nude and black. At least it should have black, it should have nudes. Don't worry, I'm going to be dropping a link to a post that I made on my blog on the tools that you need as a beginner. I included eyeshadow palettes that you can get for yourself as a beginner. So you just go down there and click the link. So, but for this tutorial, we're going to be using this eyeshadow. Like, I love this eyeshadow. I love it so much. I've been using it for a very long time now, as you can see. So I got this a very long time ago. I can't even remember how much. Let me introduce you to the parts of the eye. Now, this is your eyelid. This is the eyelid. And then this is the outer V. This is the outer V region. This is the inner V region. So whenever you are applying eyeshadow, you should put in mind that this outer V should look darker. Use darker shades for your outer V region, and then use lighter or glitter eyeshadow for the inner V of your eyes. Your crease. Now, how do you find your crease? That point where your eyeball ends is your crease. Now, for me, this is my crease. If there's any particular eyeshadow look that you need me to do for you, you can comment it in the comment section below, and I would do a video for it just for you. Yes, I'll do that. You want to prime the eyes. Now, you can use eye primer. I use this eye primer from Fairy Gold. It's a really nice eye primer. But if you don't have primer, my dear, don't kill yourself. For the sake of those that do not have this, I'm going to be working with concealers, so you can know how. So I'll just draw my brows off cam. If you need a tutorial on how to draw your brows, I have a detailed tutorial on how you can draw and achieve a very beautiful brow. I'm going to put it in the description section for you to click on it and watch. So I'll be right back. I'm back. So first things first, I told you we're going to be using concealer for this particular tutorial because I want to be real with you guys. You can actually achieve a beautiful eyeshadow with concealer. So you're going to take concealer generously. Please, I would like to note here that it's important that you use a good concealer if you know that you're going to be using it for your eyeshadow, because if your concealer is not good, at the end of the day you see that your eyeshadow will start cleaning off. Yes, clean up before the end of the day, and you will not like it. So it's important you invest in a very good concealer and just know that you have gotten yourself something good. Apply a concealer around my eyelid. I like to go in with my blending brush, and I take this very dark shade. So now I'm just going in. Notice the way I'm tapping. I am not doing a zigzag motion. I am tapping on it. I can go in again. Also notice the way I hold my brush. So now that I have dabbed most of the product here, you can now go in with your zigzag motion. You need this area to look lighter and this area to look darker. That's why I'm not taking in more product to apply here. Instead, I'm using the one I've already applied here, and I'm just moving it. If you feel it's not dark enough for you, you can actually use a black eyeshadow too for this region. If you want to use a black, if you want it to be darker, you can use a black eyeshadow. So let me just apply just a little more here to make it even darker. So now I'm going into my eyelid using my flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use this color right here. See the way I'm taking it. So this now I am applying to my eyelid, and I'm extending it to my crease. I told you about your crease, right? Now after doing this, I'm going in again with the first brush that I used, and I dab. Then you dab into it like that. And then you can do this. Now we're trying to remove every sharp line between this color and this color. So I'm just doing this. So now that we're done with that, I'm going in with this glitter color here. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to use my Kylie eyeliner and apply. By the way, I have a tutorial on how to apply your eyeliner, and I'll be putting a link down there for you to click on it too. So I'm going to use my black eye pencil to complete it. So that's it. I'm going to be doing the second eye of Calm so that you can see how it looks finally. So this is the final look. You can visit my Instagram page. The link is also down there, and you can see how I created the rest of the look. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you like this video or if this video was of any help to you. Thank you. See you next time.